Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in cultural sentiment with a score of plus 0.64, alongside a momentum of plus 0.24. This is noteworthy because it represents one of the highest shifts we've observed in weeks, suggesting a strong positive trend in public sentiment around cultural topics. Our API returns real-time insights into these shifts, including sentiment scores and momentum indicators, helping you make data-driven decisions. Imagine leveraging this information to enhance your social media strategy or content planning. By identifying these spikes in sentiment, you can align your messaging with what resonates with your audience, maximizing engagement. For more on how to integrate this data into your workflows, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.